Today we're looking at a 2012 Honda CRV EX. Alright, it's got 90,000 miles on it. Polished metal, metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything down the driver's side is in good shape. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in really good shape. Once again, it's a 2012. Okay, 90,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Okay, driver's seat's in really good shape. No problems there. Alright, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. There's your climate control area, AM, FM, CD player. It's got your display screen right there. We'll show you that in a second. Alright, it does have the steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. It's got your econ button right here, and also is equipped with the sunroof as well. Alright, and then right here, it's kind of like a little console area here, but when you open this up, it's got your power outlet, auxiliary, and USB ports down in there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 90,977 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen. Alright, it's got your coordinates right there, the time. It even shows you got your FM, AM, CD player. Alright, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down just a little bit for you so you can see that better. There we go. Alright. And then your climate control area, and once again, AC, blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Back seat cloth's in good shape. No problems at all back here. For a vehicle to have 90,000 miles on it, 2012, this thing's in fabulous condition. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Carpet down through here is in great shape, no staining of the carpet. Okay. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Carpet back here looks good. Got your spare tire down there. Okay. Go ahead and step to the side so you can see how much room you got, see how much depth you got there. And one thing I love about these CRVs, it's got handles on both sides. Okay, you simply just pull that handle, seats come down. Alright, now it really opens it up back. You can see how much room you got now. Okay, seats are light but durable. One hand you can just pull them right up, lock them back into place, pop the seat back down there. Same thing on this side. Simply just pull the seat back up, clicks into place, just like that, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Okay. The tires are in great shape, brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2012 Honda CRV EX, 90,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape for a 2012 with 90,000 miles inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.